Are you thinking about buying a used motorcycle, but you're scared you might get ripped off? Or maybe you already bought a used bike and it turned out to be a total piece of junk. Buying a used motorcycle can be a great way to save money, but it requires careful consideration to avoid costly mistakes. As a motorcycle safety instructor who's taught thousands of students how to ride motorcycles safely, I've bought and sold a ton of bikes over the years. So in this video, we're going over the top 5 things to keep in mind. Number 1, check the title and VIN. Ensure the motorcycle has a clean title and that the VIN on the bike matches the one on the title. This helps verify ownership and prevents you from buying a stolen or salvaged vehicle. Number 2, inspect for damage. Look for signs of wear and tear, including scratches, dents, and leaks. Ask for maintenance records and consider getting a vehicle history report to check for past accidents. Number 3, assess mechanical condition. Start the bike from a cold engine to see how it runs. Listen for unusual noises. Check the brakes, tires, and suspension, and test all electrical components. If you already know how to do a pre-ride check on a bike, make sure and give this one a once-over to make sure it's all looking good. Number 4, avoid scams. Be cautious of deals that seem too good to be true. Watch out for sellers who refuse to meet in person or provide vague details about the bike's condition. When you're trying to gather information about the bike, you want the seller to be as transparent and helpful as possible. As soon as they start making excuses or getting shifty about giving you answers, that's a huge red flag and you should walk away. Number 5, negotiate smartly. Research fair market prices for the model you're interested in. A good place to start is looking at the Kelley Blue Book value for that particular year, make, and model. Be prepared to negotiate based on the bike's condition and any necessary repairs. Also keep in mind that a lot of used bikes might have some upgrades and mods done to them, and the seller might be asking more depending on what they've done to it. With that said, remember there's a lot of people out there who don't know what they're doing with bikes, and a lot of these so-called upgrades and mods might hurt its resale value. But what do you think? Are there any other tips you'd give to someone considering buying a used motorcycle? Let us know in the comments. Make sure and like the video so it can reach more riders and help them make smart decisions when buying their first bike. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more motorcycle related content. So what if after considering these things, the deal went smoothly and you now have your very first used motorcycle, but now you're scared about riding it and potentially crashing and dying out on the streets? Well, then watch this video next for 5 tips on how to not die on a motorcycle. Knowing these things just might save your life on 2 wheels.